Hello there. Today we are going to see the evolution of Samsung's famous smartphone Galaxy Note. So by not wasting the time, let's get started. Samsung Galaxy Note was released in October 2011. Samsung Galaxy Note 2 was released in September 2012. Samsung Galaxy Note 3 was released in September 2013. Samsung Galaxy Note 4 was released in October 2014. Samsung Galaxy Note 5 was released in August 2015. Samsung Galaxy Note 7 was released in August 2016. Samsung Galaxy Note 8 was released in August 2017. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 was released in August 2018. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 was released in August 2019.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, and to watch more interesting videos like this, please subscribe and press the bell icon.